Want to know how to make tacos de chorizo? Stay tuned. Once again, welcome to Toy's Food Chronicles. I'm Toy. We're bringing people together through the soul and spirit of food. This channel was made to help the average home cook and backyard grill cook prepare stunning meals for their families and guests. We are doing another tacos today, taco, 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 tacos today. We're gonna get right into it. We don't wanna waste any time. So what we're going to do first is we're gonna take our roll of chorizo, we're gonna slice it up. We are going to take our onions and we are going to slice them up. I pre-boiled the potatoes to make this process go a little bit faster. Now we're going to slice our potatoes. You can do this skin on or skin off. So you can leave the peel or you can go without the peel. We're going to pour some vegetable oil inside the pan. Now you can use whatever oil you like. Today, this is what I just happen to have. We're going to add our onions and let them sweat. Now we're going to add our potatoes. And we're going to add some more potatoes. Now we'll add our chorizo. And we're going to allow this chorizo to be a lot of the flavor. However, we are going to add salt and pepper. To make these tacos in particular, we're going to put our tortillas inside the skillet. We are going to place the contents, the papas, onion, and chorizo inside these tortillas after we've given them one flip, just to get a little bit of a crust on both sides. Now we're going to close them off and we're going to flip each of them over. This is a folded style taco. Now for the plating, we're going to put sour cream, a little bit of the sauce that we made, which is a salsa verde, 1 jalapeno, and 1 carrot from our pickled jalapenos. And voila, here we go. Now here comes my favorite part of this whole session. It is time to get my eat on. I got my jalapenos. I got my carrots. Soda oria. I got my guacamole. I got my sour cream. I got my lechuga. And I got my chorizo on the inside of these tacos. And then I got my nice fried onions. If I sound stuffy, it's because I am. Allergy problem. Here I go. I'm going to try this out. Tacos de chorizo con papas. Make this, make sure you make this. If you like homemade guacamole, yeah. So good, so good. Definitely spicy. Some jalapenos in the guacamole. There's a jalapeno on top of here too. I've been putting hot stuff all the time now. Okay, so this is about a week later after I have prepared those chorizos con papas. And the reason why is because I was ill. My nose was extremely stopped up. My allergies had my face looking all crazy. The food was very, very good. I just want to say my sign off for you guys. Don't love to be loved, love to love. We at the beach.